continuing on, here's my indoor aquaponics. I got a full spectrum LED, bed full of strawberries. There you got one radish in there. And here I got perch. There's one over there if you can see him. I have a 300 watt halogen I was using at one point in time, but I'm going to put my raspberries and strawberries and blueberry bushes in here, and I got a pineapple. My cat Tux. There's my raspberries. There's a pineapple I started. There's a early season and late season blueberry. I had them out in the greenhouse. I should have brought them in. I don't think it's warm enough. Back here gets to be about 40 something at night. So I added a wood stove for backup. See that before, it's just so yeah, here's the wood stove I put in. I actually put geothermal air system underneath the greenhouse. I buried 7 feet. That's 350 feet of hose underneath here. I dug this greenhouse into the ground. Yeah, that's the wood stove. Here's the wood is back up. See, right now it's almost 60 in here and it's sunny. And that wind's just a cranking. So I'm at 13.7. Once it gets to 14.4, it'll dump extra power into this heating element in here, heat up this water. I have a small battery bank. I'm going to get a larger one. I had 10 batteries at one point in time, and I'll go ahead and get the good Trojans, spend the money, and the system should be pretty good after that. So you can see it's 563 watts an hour on average, and this thing's only been logging for 27 hours. So pretty sure the 800 watts, it says it's pushes out. It's gonna I didn't get ripped off, so pretty happy about that. So I can keep you updated on the status of everything. And oh yeah, I built this thing too, this solar can heater. This runs off the excess power load on my solar charger. It runs continuously, heats up the can, sucks up the cool air and pushes hot air out here. That thing's pretty cool. You're supposed to put in your windows. So yeah, this thing, these siphons fill up and then they'll drain once they get to a certain point. They'll drain these beds. there goes this side. See the water going out of there. Just a gravity fed system, pretty nice. Once the drains get clogged, pretty much hands free once you get set up. There it goes. You just need a little adjustment sometimes. And it's going to heat up quick today in here. But if it gets below 40, then I'll turn that wood stove on. I don't know if you can see the perch in there. They're underneath that little shelter thing there. There's some minnows. These guys were raised with pellets, but I usually put them on minnows and crawlers. They grow a lot quicker. So yeah, this thing I constructed out of an old ribbed, aluminum ribbed lean-to kind of thing with the canvas. Oh yeah, here's my solar panels. These two I built, or bought. Those are 100 watters. This one I built. This one I built. This is the flexible one. This one I bought with the solar generator. This Big Daddy I built. There's the wind turbine. These windows came from sliding glass door, patio doors. The aluminum or the steel was left over from a couple jobs from roofing. These windows are off of a house extra. All the wood I used to build the inside was from a deck I tore down from here. So this is all redone. Pretty much just me and my buddy fabricated it and built it as we went. And then you insulated it. Still use some more insulation. Here's the kill switch for the wind turbine. If you get too much power or short, it'll go off. Here's the big old fuses, and then you have to have a diode, which is right there, to keep the juice to stay in the batteries. Oh, I have another fan right here for exhaust. That other fan that's inside, if I turn that on today, it'll draw all that warm air from in the ground, which should be about 55 degrees. Takes a lot to run that fan. Doesn't give you that much juice when it's going that slow, but if I could get it up higher, I'd have a lot more juice also, but pretty happy overall. We'll see this winter. It's the first time I've had it running since I didn't have this last year. So yeah, all the power in there is all natural, solar, wind. Wish I had a creek or a river that could run some hydraulic system, but so that's about it.